What is wireless communication systems? Wireless communication systems is a technology that enables transmissions of voice, data, and video and other information between devices without using any physical cables or wires. Wireless communication systems also uses electromagnetic waves, such as radio waves, to send and receive signals through the air and allowing users to communicate and access information from any different location. There are three examples of wireless communications. First is Bluetooth. Second is cellular networks, such as Wi-Fi connections. Third is radio and televisions. Advantages of wireless communication systems. First is flexibility. Wireless systems can be installed in almost any locations without the needs for physical cables, which making them ideal for older buildings or temporary sites or any places where installing can be difficult. Second, speed and stability. Since it provides fast connectivity and it doesn't depend on any physical cables, it is less likely to be affected by cable damages or infrastructure failures. And third is cost effectiveness. Since it requires less installations work, lower cost of infrastructures, and minimal maintenance, they can also be expanded easily without adding new cabling. And finally, ease of installations and scalability, where wireless systems are quick to set up and adding new users or devices are simple, making them a practical solution for growing networks.
Although wireless communication systems offer many benefits, they also have several disadvantages. First, wireless signal can experience interference from walls, electronic device, or other wireless network. Second, wireless communication has limited range. The farther a device is from a router, the weaker the signal becomes. Third, wireless networks are more vulnerable to security threats, such as unauthorized access or hacking if proper protection is not used. Finally, internet speed and connection quality may decrease when many users are not connected at the same time. Now, I will explain the use of radio wave in Wi-Fi. Before that, we need to know what is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is one of the most common wireless communication technology used today. It allows devices such as smartphone, laptop, and tablets to connect to the internet without using physical cables. Wi-Fi works by using radio wave to transmit information between a router and electronic device. So, how does Wi-Fi work? First, internet data reach the Wi-Fi router. The router converts data into radio signal and transmit them through the air. Devices such as smartphone and laptop receive the radio signal using dry in wireless adapters. The signal are then converted back into digital information that we can use for browsing website, watching video, and sending message. So most Wi-Fi systems operate at frequencies of 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Newer Wi-Fi technologies can also use 6 GHz band, providing faster speeds and reduce interference.
Next, I will explain about Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology used for short-distance connection between devices. It operates using radio wave at a frequency 2.4 GHz. The typical operating range of Bluetooth is around 10 meters, making it suitable for nearby device communication. Bluetooth is commonly used in devices such as keyboard, mouse, and earbuds. Side advantage of Bluetooth is its low power consumption, the elimination of cables, and its convenience for daily use. Because of this benefit, Bluetooth has become essential part of modern wireless communication.
Now, I will explain the use of radio waves in cellular networks. Cellular networks use radio waves to provide wireless communication between mobile devices and cell towers. When we make a phone call, send a text message, or access the internet, the information is converted into radio signals and transmitted to the nearest cell tower. The network is divided into smaller areas called cells, and each cell is served by a base station or cell tower. As users move from one cell to another, the network automatically transfers the connection through a process called handover, ensuring communication remains uninterrupted. Different frequencies of radio waves are used in cellular networks. Lower frequencies provide wider coverage, while higher frequencies allow faster data transmission. Next, radio waves are also used in modern technologies such as 3G, 4G LTE, and 5G, which provide faster internet speeds and better network performance. They support many services, including phone calls, messaging, internet browsing, video streaming, and online gaming. For example, when you use your smartphone to watch a YouTube video or make a call, your phone sends and receives data through radio waves to the nearest cell tower. The tower then connects your communication to the wider network and the internet.
And lastly, I will explain the use of radio waves in satellite communication. Satellite communication uses artificial satellites orbiting the Earth to transmit voice, video, and data signals between different locations around the world. The communication process begins when an Earth station sends a signal, such as a phone call, television broadcast, or internet data to a satellite using radio waves. This process is called an uplink. The satellite then receives the signal and processes it using a device called a transponder. The transponder amplifies the signal and changes its frequency to avoid interference. Next, the satellite sends the signal back to Earth. This process is called a downlink. The signal is then received and delivered to the intended user, like us. Some common applications of satellite communication, including GPS navigation, satellite television, internet services, and weather monitoring. All of these common applications we use in our daily lives. In conclusion, wireless communication technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks and satellite communication play an important role in our daily lives. These technologies allow us to communicate, access information, and stay connected without using physical cables. As technology continues to develop, wireless communication will become even more important in supporting education, business, and many other fields. And understanding how these systems work help us appreciate the technology that makes modern communication possible. And that's all from us. Thank you.